At first, we wanted to use a red flashing font that represented a heartbeat. When using Adobe Premiere Pro, we found that we couldn't use the certain font we wanted, but decided to use a red and white font that could represent younger ages, because the outline is red and still shows the teenage romance idea.
Our storyline originally was about how a young couple met after we see the woman's loss of her loved one. We found it difficult to show the contrast between the younger and older generation with only viewing one scene of the three that we filmed. We only used one of them because it was too long and the narrative became very confusing. Using an older woman may not be seen as relating to our target audience, but because our narrative is to do with going back in time, so it makes sense to use that certain actor.
The routine of walking into a graveyard is the correct way to present yourself within the situation. It would be known as the social norm for being within the surroundings. This is in keeping with our mood because it is an emotional sequence. Because we filmed outside, we didn't have a lot of control over the colours, but we found that the lighting kept the mood at a medium, as coming to a graveyard can be a happy and memorable moment which can relate to our social group as they could relate to the experience.
Our actor is still dressed in a modern way like the Townies group, which is our target audience. This represents the social group because we are still using everything to do with our social group, but we are not using our target audience age because it fitted better with our narrative.